Sanford Tower, connection 461, holding short, 27 left at Sierra 5. Ready to go.
Connection 461 Tower, hold short, runway 27 left, landing traffic.
Hold short, 27 left, connection 461.
Connection 219, extend downwind, I'll call your base.
That guy flies worse than me.
You got the
I got a plug,
cable?
this thing right here, plug inside, and it's hooked in the back, so that way I can replay it and figure out where I go wrong.
Ooh.
Oh man.
Nose first. Go around.
Boom. Whoa.
He's gonna bring it down. No, he's not.
Don't know.
Connection 461, follow the Cessna on the upwind, runway 27 left side for takeoff.
I don't know if we want to follow him. Connection 461 following Cessna, cleared for takeoff, 27 left. Alright, landing line on. Flaps looking good. Let's go.
Connection 203, you can start your base. I'm sorry, connection 219, you can start your base and continue. I have a vehicle on the runway here momentarily.
I want to make sure, is that connection 219?
Power set.
Yep.
Instruments check. Speed of life.
Tower, did you tell us to connect 219 turn base?
Affirmative, 219, start your base, continue.
Turning base, connect 219.
I got this one.
Airport 7, you can proceed
All on my own.
27 left, and then you need to do...
You just take a nap.
Of 27 left on Romeo, correct?
Proceed 27 left, that's affirmative. I need to do the south part still.
Okay, roger that. Proceed on...
461.
Oh, failure. What do you do?
Alright. Engine failure, we're going to look for best glide. And let's get this thing back to the runway here.
No, don't try to square it because it's pushing you anyway, so try to make it kind of steep. Especially if you're power off, you want to be kind of accurate, you don't want to overshoot. If you want to use flaps, it's up to you.
When you know the runway's in sight and you got it, use the flaps?
I would at this point at least 50%.
Yeah, we're fast here.
There you go. Now, I'm pretty sure you made the runway, so go ahead and put below 100, flaps 100. That's going to help you slowing down, taking you down. Cool, looks good. Looking good.
Plenty of speed, plenty of speed.
Connection 210, runway 27 left side for the option.
Nice.
I do better without the engine.
It does. Plus 50, check.
Let's go. $70 knots. Rotate. That didn't feel too bad.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Connection 467, tower, continue.
There he is. Like 11 o'clock,
Connection
turning.
577, your number 3, runway 27 left side for the option.
Number 327 left, clear for the ocean, connection 577.
Connection 461, continue downwind, I'll call base for 27 center.
Continuing down one for 27 center, connection 461. Where's he going? Going to center or he's going back to left?
Yeah, he's going for left.
Oh, okay. Another aircraft.
Connection 461, traffic 11 o'clock and a mile on final for 27 left, arrow.
Traffic in sight, connection 461.
So 461, pass behind the arrow, change to runway 27 center, runway 27 center, clear to land.
Passing behind the arrow and going to 27 center, cleared to land, connection 461.
Good.
Continue, connection.
That is some big RC traffic or whatever that is right there. See that? See that? remote control.
Oh yeah.
He's high, dude. Isn't he?
Yeah, they have a field somewhere.
Yeah,
right
we
here.
just went over it.
219, if able, start at early left crosswind.
However, to turn crosswind early, connected to 19.
Like a 40%. I was looking at that thing, I was like, that can't be full scale.
Yeah.
Need to downwind.
Connection 210, you're flying Cirrus over the numbers, runway 27 left, clear for the option.
Follow the traffic, number 2 select, clear for the option, connection 22.
Connection 447, maintain VFR at or below 1,600 until advised by approach, fly heading 250.
1,600 and 250, connection 447.
All right. Flaps 50.
Flaps 50.
Check.
Get it center.
Let's go.
Go around.
Oh,
On, Red.
instruments check. Speed 70. Rotate.
That timing down a little more on that flare.
It was good though.
Connection 447, reset transponder.
I'm getting the plane a lot slower than I used to. I feel like.
0362.
I mean, I feel like I used to try and like just throw it on the runway at like 80 knots, 90 knots.
Yeah.